Tired of the constant clutter? Hit subscribe. In 50 seconds, I'll show you how to clear your home in a day. Watch till the end. You'll see where to start and how not to burn out. Method 1. Photos. Take a photo of the room. Clutter pops out instantly. Circle it. Boom, you've got a clear checklist. Method 2. One zone. Start with one zone, a closet or entryway. A quick win keeps you moving. Method 3. 3 boxes. Keep, donate, sell, trash. No, I'll decide later, and take the trash out right away. Method 4. Timer. Work in 15 to 20 minute sprints. Stop, take a break or switch zones. It's way easier to stay consistent. Method 5. Duplicates. Get rid of duplicate items. Keep the best. The rest just takes up space. Method 6. Limit. Set a goal. Remove 10 to 20 items today. A simple limit turns decluttering into a game. Clutter affects your space and your mental health. Why? It's in the article linked in the description. Try one of these methods today.